Welcome back to Farming Nature's Way. Today I'm going to make some chocolate syrup. Todd loves chocolate milk and I like it too. So I'm going to make some chocolate syrup. Of course, the issue with chocolate syrup that you buy in the store, there's so many other ingredients that are not necessary. There's only 5 ingredients to this particular chocolate syrup. So I'm just going to take and put in my cocoa powder, and that is 2/3 of a cup. 3/4 of a cup of sugar. I'm going to mix that up a little bit. Who doesn't like chocolate milk, right? Chocolate syrup can stay in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. And then just add a cup of water. And we're going to put this on the stove, and it needs to simmer for 3 minutes. So you can stop it. And now it's simmering. We're going to let it simmer for 3 minutes, and we'll take it off the heat and add the salt and the vanilla, stir it up, and get it into a jar. I'm going to add the salt, and that's only 1/4 teaspoon. And a teaspoon of vanilla, and this is my own vanilla that I make. I just repurpose the bottles that I've purchased in the past. And that's a teaspoon of vanilla. We're going to stir that. Let it cool off a little bit before I put it into my jar. And then it'll be ready to go to the refrigerator, and Todd can have his chocolate milk. Okay, we're going to try out this chocolate syrup. See what we think. We're going to start with a teaspoon first. See what we think of that. I think it could use another teaspoon. That's 2 teaspoons. It's good. Thank you for watching.